In this training, we're going to take a look at how you can add and save new records to SmartSuite. So if that's of interest, stick around and let's get into it. First and foremost, in order to add a record, we need to be in a solution in an app. So in this example, I am in my sales CRM and I'm going to be adding records to my contacts here. So my contacts application is essentially a list of my different contacts. And in this particular case, I want to add new contacts to the list. So I want to add new records. There are a number of ways to do this. You'll notice that because I'm in this grid view here, I have this opportunity in the bottom left corner of my screen to add a record. So I could add myself here as a new person or a new contact in this database. Go ahead and just start typing. As I then tab through, I can add different information. So I could add my mobile number, for example, just by clicking here, adding a new one, and clicking done here. You'll notice that as I'm tabbing through these different sections, the different fields or cells inside of this record, that information is being automatically saved in this particular example. And that's because I added the record using the option at the bottom of the screen previously. So once I'm done, I can go ahead and click out of this record and it will go ahead and get filtered and sorted based on the other conditions for this view. I can then add another record if I so choose. But for me, my preferred method for adding a record is actually this button in the upper right corner. And when I select this, it's going to actually open up a brand new record. But the nice thing about this is when I save this record, it will be saving all of the information that I have added to this record at the same time. So in this case, I could come in and add another record, maybe version 2, and I can add a title, or add a phone number, add a department, all the information that I want to fill out for this particular new record. I can go ahead and scroll in, new information, opportunities, you get the picture. Once I'm happy with the setup of this record, all I have to do is click save down here, and that will automatically add that new record to this database. So that's it. Adding records comes with a couple different options, but one of them is definitely, at least in my opinion, preferred for many use cases. So go ahead and try that out yourself. And if you have any questions, be sure to rewatch this video, and I will see you in the next training. If you have any questions about what we covered in this training, please ask them below in the comments section of this video. And until then, we'll see you in the next training.